Luke chapter 2 verse 10, an angel appeared to the shepherds, and the shepherds were scared, but the angel assured them, do not be afraid, because I bring good news that will cause joy, not only you, but to all people. And that is the attitude that we must challenge ourselves to practice, the humility, so that we can absorb, so that we can accept the faith, the message of the angel, to believe in the Savior that was who was born, and to be born in our hearts, so that we allow our Messiah, our Savior, to dwell in us, so that we can also share that joy to others. And that is the message of today, celebrating, remembering the birth of our Savior, that His coming, His mission is to give us joy, and this joy should not be kept in our hearts, but to be shared for others, so that all people will experience that live faith, so that we can stir up joy to all the people.